What's up, traders? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis of Euro USD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have in Euro dollar. Now, what you saw on the screen, Euro dollar is 4 hour time frame, and what we see that Euro dollar currently creating a strong bearish price action. Now, before I explain how we can trade this on this time frame, let me give you a full multi-time frame analysis. Then we'll come back to this time frame to see how we can trade this instrument in this time frame. So let's start first with monthly time frame to see the bigger picture. Now, before I begin the full analysis, make sure you smash the like button and also don't forget to drop a comment at the end of this video. Now, euro dollar, first of all, look at the monthly time frame. What you see that it's a without any question it is a clearly downtrending market. Now if we analyze the candlestick pattern on the monthly time frame, we see a couple of things. First of all, look at this monthly doji. Okay, in this monthly doji, if we look at the high of the monthly doji, what you see that euro dollar basically crossed 2 months high and then closed back below with a doji. Now after this doji, what happened last month? The price immediately, as soon as the candle closed, immediately the sellers found resistance and started to sell. Now the last candle that has closed in this current candle, this is a perfect healthy bearish candle. Why? If you see high of the candle, this has started in a very strong level of resistance, so it is difficult for the buyers to break this level. And if you look at the low of this candle, it has a significant, almost more than 50% retracement. This long wick represents a significant retracement of this candle to the upside. That means that as soon as this candle closes, we saw that the sellers again pushing the price down, because when you see this kind of candle, you can expect the other one to come slowly to fill this wick, and this is the retracement of this move. Now at the same time, you saw back to back 2 3 monthly doji created a level of resistance for this move. Let me draw this as well, so we'll the lower time frame how we can find a trading opportunity. Now let's see on the weekly time frame. Now, on the weekly, we saw that euro dollar penetrated to the upside to this gap level and again strongly rejected towards the downside. So, all this week represents that strong rejection from this level of resistance. This is the weekly chart. And if we draw a resistance here, you see that in the past, this level acted as a support here, and then we saw the resistance here, resistance every time it is acting as a resistance, and price is coming back and closing back below. Now as soon as this market opened today in the new trading week, we saw the same level tested as a resistance, and primarily we saw that there has been a rejection. So all this time frame is showing a strong price downward momentum. Now let's see daily time frame. Now on the daily, we saw that, as you can see, this is the daily candle. The price opened with a gap. Now after this gap, the price went above. This is exactly the same line that is the weekly resistance and support. The same area is tested as with the 20 period moving average, which is the euro dollar. And with that retest of this level, we saw that the sellers strongly rejected towards the downside. Now with all that being said, this is the daily time frame, and I think that euro dollar will slowly melt to the downside, at least to this level. Now let's see on the 4 hour. Now 4 hour time frame is where we can find a trading opportunity. As you see that last 4 hour candle, this one also closes as a bearish engulfer after this red doji. Now after this bearish engulfer, we saw now the price is retesting to the upside. Now we'll see how much it goes up for the retest. In a suitable time, we might consider going short if it fulfills all the criteria of our strategies, and we'll target at least 1 to 3 or more risk to reward ratio for this move to the downside. Now if you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button for me, and also don't forget to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. See you soon in my next analysis.